Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the Dr. Belmeur Spot Patch Kit. I recently got this and tried it once, but still I'm not really sure how it worked on my skin. So I'm going to try this again and give you a fair opinion and also how you have to use it. There comes different things inside it, which is like very confusing. I think this video will be helpful for those who are gonna get your hands on this. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And before we go ahead with the video, it'll be really nice if you guys could subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now, without any further ado, let's just get started with the try-on review of the Dr. Belmeur Spot Patch Kit. This is how the outer packaging actually looks. It comes with three different actually two, okay, so it comes with two different things like this. One is the spot hydrocolloid band and the other one is the spot okay the other one is the spot plaster band. So both serves different purposes, and also this one retails for 790 rupees and you get totally 80 patches. The spot plaster, you get 40 of this one and 40 of this one together, so that's what it sums up to 80 patches totally. So basically you use this spot patch kit for your acne. If you suffer from acne, you can go ahead and get this and use this on your skin. And also, I wouldn't recommend you guys to get this on and use it on an everyday basis. No, this is not really for that. If you have an event coming up and you get acne, for sure, if you have an important event, so what you can do is you can use this as a spot treatment. So that's how you have to basically use it. Otherwise, let the acne or the pimple dry on its own and fade off. I wouldn't really recommend you use a spot patch sort of a thing on a everyday basis. So yeah, I'm gonna talk you through all of this before we go ahead and apply it on my skin. Firstly, you get two of this, which I told just then. One is the spot hydrocolloid band. So basically this hydrocolloid band is for the acne that is already there, which is sort of painful, which is a little more matured than maybe the second day or so, which looks a little bigger on your skin. So for that you have to use this. And the spot plaster band is for the upcoming or the popping acne or pimple that's gonna come up the next day, and that's gonna be really very painful, if you know what I mean. So this one is for that. So if you have a intense acne going on, what you actually can do is use this on the first day. Use the hydrocolloid band the first day, and that totally absorbs the the white color thing that you get in the pimple, if you know what I mean. I don't really remember the name of it. I might put it on the screen actually. So you can use this on the first day, and then once it dries up or it's gonna settle down, you can use this plaster band so that it just goes off entirely. So I had one, two, three here and there, and this is this one came again because this was really intense. So the one that I had put here and here went off. I used the hydrocolloid band, and this worked really nice on that one because it wasn't that intense and also wasn't that painful, but this one was really big and painful. So I think I've given you a fair explanation about two of those things. So let me tell you how you have to use this. You have to use this after you wash your face. Nothing on, no toning, no spot correctors, or no creams, or nothing should be there on your skin. You have to use it on your bare skin. That's how you're supposed to use this. Now what I'm gonna do is remove my makeup, show you how I'm gonna apply this on my skin. So this is my bare face. I have no makeup on. This like no just washed face. I've just towel dried it. So before we go ahead, I just would like to read how you have to use it. So the spot plaster band should be used on after washing your face, towel drying the face, apply patch on the problematic area. Remove after 8 to 12 hours and do not apply it on the repetitive, do not apply on the same spot repeatedly. Okay, so that's what it says. And the hydrocolloid band says apply band over wounded area for protection. Do not use lotion or cream. For both, you should not use any cream. The product will swell and whiten and then return to its normal state. So that's how it works. Okay, it just sucks up the things inside your pimple, and then it becomes like somewhat whitish and all of that. And once you remove, you feel like there is a white color thing showing up on your skin. That's like really very normal. Remove after a sufficient amount of time. Apply one band per day over the wounded areas. Like don't apply too much, like again and again. Don't do all of that. And also, I would recommend you guys to use this on the night time rather than in the daytime, because you keep like touching it. You will like you keep thinking about it and you just touch it again and again. So I recommend you guys use this on the during the night time. So today I'm going to be using the hydrocolloid band on these two areas because these two are like a bigger ones. And once you open the band, or like once you okay, so this is how basically this looks. You get 12 of the smaller sized ones and 8 of the bigger sized ones. So these ones can be used on like pimples or acne that are really big, and the smaller size one can be used for the smaller size. So I'm just gonna apply this on my face and show you, and then we will leave it for 8 hours. Like I'm gonna sleep with this, and then tomorrow morning I'll show you how this worked on my skin. So that's how my skin is looking. I wouldn't say this is completely removed the acne or anything of that sort, but it has definitely calmed down the status of it, which I kind of like, because overnight treating your acne and the pain that I had has literally calmed down, which I am quite happy about. So this works well, but I wouldn't recommend you guys to use it on acne or a pimple that's been like bothering and it's like really big. This will definitely work on smaller acne. I had already put it here and there somewhere, so it worked there really nicely, and the next day it vanished. It completely vanished. But I wouldn't like recommend you guys to put it on ones like this, which are like bigger ones. So I wouldn't recommend in those areas. But other than that, this is quite nice, and I think I'm going to be using this very often because I break out a lot. And also don't use it on a daily basis. Use it only when you have important events coming up and you don't want to have a acne showing up face. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this was like helpful for those who's been searching for something that would help your spot treatment or like your acne thing when you have an important event coming up. I hope this video helped. If it did so, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel without fail, so that we could be a good community. And for now, I'm gonna sign off with a bye. Take care. I'll see you again with another super video. Till then, bye.